Hi guys!
So today we are going to Metro Cash and Carry.
And today is Shashti, so happy Shashti to everybody!
Yes, happy Shashti to all of you. And be safe, be properly hygienic and maintain all the things of hygiene. You know, I want to say that be careful but enjoy the pujas.
Yes.
And definitely today we have lots and lots of shopping. Along with shopping, we are also going to puja hopping.
Yes, and only one puja hopping because we're going to be tired, you know. And
Definitely we are going to be tired because we'll enjoy a lot. We'll enjoy the food also. That's a secret. Because today Delisha is going to give a treat, you know. And let's see what treat she's going to give us. A surprise. So Delisha, let's enjoy the day today.
Yay! Bye guys! Oh, not bye. Let's go!
Yes, come on.
Yo! So guys, we're going to be going to Metro, so let's go. And this is going to be really good guys because today is Shashti and today is the first day of Durga Puja when we are going out to see some goddess and to shop also. So let's go. And you can see that people are going from here and there to see puja. Yes, in vaccination, and I'm also going to be wearing this mask. I'm now in my house, so that I'm not wearing. So that is why I'm not wearing. But now I'm going to be wearing. Wait. Okay. So I have wore my mask, and now we are seeing that if the Ola has came or not. Let's go. No, it's not there. Nope, it's not there. So I have to return back and go at the other direction there. And my father is also standing for and searching for the Ola. So let's go. What is the number? Okay, so let's go. I think it's coming. I think it's coming, guys.
দেখো মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখো মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনীর সুর তোমার টুলির গন্ধ ছড়ালো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো
So guys, now we are probably going to be going to Metro. This is going to be really good because we are sitting here for a moment because my mom is doing some work, and then we're going to be going to Metro, which is going to be really good. And this is my grandmother's. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so now we're going to be probably going there, and I'm going to be showing you all the things that I have seen here. Some really good things, which are, you know, the leaves are shedding here. And there is my grandmother, and I'm probably going to be going to Metro now, and it's going to be really good guys because you know Metro has a lot of things, and I'm also going to be buying some lights in Metro for Diwali, upcoming Diwali vlog, and it's going to be really good. But now we have Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, which is a very long time, so let's go. So guys, now we are going to be going to Metro Cash and Carry after so long. They were doing some work, my mom and my dad, so it was really not easy for me to sit there because it had been like 1 hour sitting me there. But now I'm going to be going to Metro Cash and Carry. I'm kind of so excited because today is Shashti, and I'm also going to be going to some panel hoppings beside my house and in Santashpur, so it's gonna be really good. So, Bob, you want to say anything?
Yeah, today is Shoshti and happy Shoshti to all
Happy
of
Shoshti.
you. Enjoy to the fullest with all the precautions. Okay, and especially everybody be careful and enjoy the puja.
Yes. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications because you're going to have notified at the earliest. So let's go. We are here. Going. It's really very far away, but what to do? We have to go. But let's go. And let's go and meet you in the metro.
দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনীর সুর তোমার টুলির গন্ধ ছড়ালো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো
So guys, now we are here in metro and we are seeing a lot of dresses. These are the two dresses that we saw. It is really very good, as you can see. And this one more dress. These two dresses we have selected that we're going to be buying, and now we are selecting. These are t-shirts, and now we are selecting some jeans. This is going to be really good. Mom, what are we selecting now? Outfits. Yes.
দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনীর সুর তোমার টুলির গন্ধ ছড়ালো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো রাতভর তোড়জোড় কত উৎসবে মাখা টই টই হইচই সব ঠিক করে রাখা রাতভর তোড়জোড় কত উৎসবে মাখা টই টই হইচই সব ঠিক করে রাখা করে বিষাদে আড়ি নিতে আড্ডায় ভরপুর প্রধানের রঙ প্রাণে ছড়ালো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো
It is not really being a good choice here, so we thought of going to other places, you know, because it's really not we are not liking. This is one another dress that my mother is seeing. So this is really not being good. So now we're going to be going to other places to buy other things for us. So now we are choosing some more dresses for some of our relatives. So this is really good. And these are the dresses. This is one of the dress. This is another dress from where we are selecting. But I think this is much more really good. The style is really good. And you know guys that we are going to be taking this. We are going to be taking this. Let me see the size. It's 49.
49?
So we're going to be taking this. So let's put it here. So we have a lot of collections of dresses right now, and Now I think we're going to be collecting some more for our relatives now. So we're going to be showing you some dresses. This is one. This is not really looking good. This is pure white. Let me see some designs. Let me see some designs here. Okay. It's not. Okay, so this one is really very soft cotton and it's really good. It is of Levi's. This is also what we're going to be taking, but it is small. Okay, so you only wear small. So hold it. There's a lot of Shoshti here, but when we're going to be going out to the bazaars, then we'll be really good Shoshti Puja, and yeah, this is going to be really good. And in our surrounding places also we're going to have this. So let's go. And let's show you one more thing. So these are the dresses that we chose. This is the dress that we chose. So this is really good. This is really a really big thing that we are having. We have still now chosen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, and all from my relatives. So this is really being good, and my mom is also searching for other shirts there for my relatives, and yeah, meet you in the other store. So guys, now we're going to be going to other stores, so let's go. So guys, this is my mom carrying all the things, and this is me and my mom. Now we're going to be going to other stores to see what we like and to buy things. So let's go, and don't forget that there are
বেবি কর্ন মাশরুম নিয়ে যান, অফার চলছে। বেবি কর্ন মাশরুম ক্যাপসিকাম অফার চলছে।
there are more panel hopping too, so be tuned and subscribe meanwhile. So let's go.
So guys, you can see these lovely idols.
How can they see? I'm not showing them, so let's show them. Oh. Whoa, it's so really. Although today is Durga Puja, but I'm showing Gautama Buddha, but never mind. Let's go to my section. So my section is this section, but I'm not a child, you know, so I can't buy these things. So but never mind, when I was a child I had bought all things. So okay, so these are all the clothes, so many things here. And this is my dad, this is my grandmother. Say hi. Oh, hi. And this is my mom.
See your lightings, what you were requiring.
Yeah, so now we're going to see the lighting. So let's go. So guys, now we're going to be buying some pencil colors, because you know my pencil colors are really small. So now I have to take. So which one can I take, mommy? This one. I think these are really very small. These one. Not sure. I should take this one. Like so. I think this one are good. Is there any more pencil colors like nothing? So these are all the things that we have bought, which are 24 Nataraj color pencils. Then we have bought 4 packs of candles. Yes, mommy. And now this is my relative's dress. And then we have bought candles for Diwali. Then we have bought these lights. We have bought these lights. And this is my copy. I have finished a lot of my copy, so that is why we have bought this copy. And we have bought this dabba for my grandmother who stored some fishes, vegetables and everything. And this is really good. Yes,
Definitely, it is very good, and you can just try.
and now we're gonna be going outside to eat.
Momo.
It's gonna be really good, so let's go. So now guys, we are in front of Momo and we're gonna be eating Momo. We have came out of my So this is Momo.
Wow, you can see all the dishes. Okay. It's just yummy. You're going to give us a treat today?
Yes.
Okay,
So
so
today I'm going to give a treat, and I've given 500 rupees to my father from me. So that is my treat. I'm running out of taxes. Okay, so we're going to be eating 2 pan-fried momos, and let's see what we can eat. And we have a dog here. Oh my god. I was so scared first, and now I'm much more. And mom, you want to say anything?
yeah, definitely we enjoyed a lot today and still enjoying the food. Okay.
And we are also going to be seeing a pandal today near our house. It's going to be really good. So let's go. Waiting for our dish. That is my father. So we are waiting for this and can't wait anymore. We have a pan hopping too. Let's go. So guys, this is what we are eating. It's pan fried momo.
It looks yummy, right?
Yes.
Yes, Delisha. Yeah, and today
Let's
Delisha is giving the treat to her family. Everybody, we are enjoying.
And
Okay.
I'm losing short of money.
Oh, there's a secret, you know. She'll again just. Okay, let it be a secret.
There's no secret, guys. There's no.
Okay, she'll get her money back definitely.
No, I'm not gonna get. It's my pocket money. I'm gonna be getting it after 2 months, guys.
Okay,
Oh,
it's a great deal. Come on.
and let's taste it. This is my first one. I'm gonna be tasting. It's so good. It's really amazing. Excellent. Mom, you can taste once. How is it?
Just melting inside the mouth, you know. It's just yummy.
So let's see you in the panel hopping. So let's go. Guys, now I am doing a lot of things.
Yeah, definitely.
I am
Actually,
carrying this,
Delisha
I'm giving-
is a responsible girl, and
No, wait. What I'm doing is I'm carrying this. I'm giving money. I'm giving a treat.
so you can see how big she has grown. Wow, what a transformation, Delisha.
Now guys, you know, we are going to panel hopping. Only one panel hopping, which is really near. Means this is the house and this is the panel.
So we are going there because today it's really very night. It's like 9 o'clock. It's like 8:30 and we have to return home. But before that we're going to be going to the panda hopping. But before that I have to carry this too.
And so we are waiting for our turn. We are waiting for our Ola to come, and then you all are very tired and we are.
And my mom is right here. And mom, let's show the dresses today. And now mine.
And today, our grandma is really looking gorgeous. Will you show your grandma how she's
Yes.
looking? Yes.
Your dress, please.
দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুন
As usual, always busy with his work.
Yes, and call and everything, which I don't really like,
But actually, this is the responsibility and duty.
and guys, you can see so many things outside Metro Cash and Curry. It is really crowded. And these are all the things that we have bought. We showed you. And this is my mom, so let's go to the Panther. 1, 2, 3, way to the Panther.
দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনীর সুর কুমার টুলির গন্ধ ছড়ালো বলো বলো দুগ্গা এলো বলো বলো দুগ্গা এলো বলো বলো দুগ্গা এলো দুগ্গা এলো দুগ্গা এলো বলো বলো দুগ্গা এলো দুগ্গা এলো দুগ্গা এলো রাতভর তোড়জোড় কত উৎসবে মাখা টই টই হইচই সব ঠিক করে রাখা রাতভর তোড়জোড় কত উৎসবে মাখা টই টই হইচই সব ঠিক করে রাখা করে বিষাদে আড়ি নিতে আড্ডায় ভরপুর ওধনের রং প্রাণে ছড়ালো
So guys, this is the goddess, you can see. And it's very good. Let's go. So guys, now we are returning home and this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on post notifications because I'm going to reply at the earliest. Mom, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, you can see the entire shopping and
Panther hopping.
idol watching. Everything is under control. The puja is going on. There are lots and lots of people outside. They are enjoying, as well as they are also maintaining each and everything they are supposed to maintain. That is their hygiene, so that the virus doesn't spread. So that is very important. All the mandaps I was just seeing, they are not overcrowded. Everybody is looking. Really, the security is looking after that, and this is turning the puja to be more
Realistic
enjoyable.
and enjoyable.
Yeah. So all the best wishes to all the people.
And happy Shashti.
Yeah.
Bye guys.